Welcome, automation enthusiasts. If you work in the team, you may need to send report or update to all the team members at the same time. If you run a business, you may want to send to all your employees a special offer or newsletter about a certain product. You may also need to send an email to several customers at once. In this video, you will learn how to use Python to send automated email to multiple recipients. Watch the video to the end so you don't miss any important detail. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do, we need to import Python library to send an email. Okay, just type import smtplib. Okay, so smtplib will provide method and function to connect with email server to send email. Okay, then we need to import my multipath. Type from email.my.multipath import my multipath. Okay, my multipath is for creating complex email message that may have different paths like attachment. Okay, then we need to import MIME test. Type from email.my.text import MIME test. Okay, MIME test is used to create MIME object that contain test data, such as the main body of an email. Okay, now we need to create our function that will help us to send email. Type the keyword def, provide the name of your function, send email. Okay, and then in bracket, our function will take many parameters. Okay, we will provide the SMTP server. SMTP server is like a destination post office address where our package email need to go. Okay, then we will provide the port number. The port is a specific door at the post office we have to use. Okay, then we will provide the sender. The sender is the person who sends the email. Okay, then we will provide a password. A password is a secret code the sender used to prove they are who they say they are. Okay, then we need to provide the recipient. Okay, so the recipient are people who will receive their email. We need to provide the subject. Okay, the subject is like the headline of the email, telling you what it is about. Okay, then we need to provide the body. Okay, the body is the main content of our email or the message of our email. Okay, let us continue. Then create a new variable called msj, okay, equal to call the MIME multipath. Okay, then type msj, open the square bracket, will provide the sender. Then type msg, open the square bracket. We need to provide also the recipient. Type 2, then a double quote inside the comma, dot join, okay, and pass the recipient as argument. Then type msg, open the square bracket, okay. We need to provide the subject. Subject equal to subject. Okay. Then type msg dot attach. Okay. Attach the main text. Then open the bracket. Provide the body. Okay. Then add plain. We will explain that. smtplib will create a new empty email. Okay. Then msg from, msg2, and msg subject is like we set the sender, we set the recipient and the subject of their email. Dot join function turn a list of recipients into a single string with each email separated by the comma. msg.attach MIME text, body, and plain. We attach the body of the email. So here we say that the content is a plain text, not an HTML or anything fancy. Okay. Then let us continue. Now we have to provide the server. Okay. Type server equal to call the SMTP lib. Okay. Dot SMTP. Then we'll pass as argument the SMTP server. Then we'll provide the port number. Okay. So this will connect the mail server. Okay. SMTP server and port are like the address of the server. Okay. Then let us continue. We need to start a secure connection with the server. How to do that? Type server dot start. Okay. So this will start a secure connection with the server. Okay. Then we need to log in into the email server using the sender email address and password. So just type server.login, then provide the sender email address, then the password. Okay. Then we need to send our email. How to do that? Type server.send message. Okay. Then as argument pass the message. Okay. So this line we send the email. After, we need to close the server. Type server.quit. Okay. Okay. So this is our function. Okay. Then we need to provide the SMTP server. Okay. So SMTP server, make sure your email get delivered to the right person mailbox. Okay. So if you are using Gmail, type SMTP server equal to provide the server for the Gmail account. SMTP, okay, dot gmail.com. Okay. Then we need to provide the port number. Port equal to 587. Okay. So imagine an apartment building where many families live. Each family has its own apartment number. When you want to visit a friend, you don't just go to the building, you go to the specific apartment number. Okay? So, similarly, a computer has many services like email, web, or more. And each service has a door. Okay? And that door is called the port. Okay? When we want to use a service like sending an email, we need to tell the computer which door to use. So if you use Gmail, you need to provide this port number. Okay? Then we need to provide the sender email credential. Type email equal to, I'll provide my email address. Okay. Then we need to provide the password. Password equal to os dot get environment. Then I will provide my password. So I have stored my password in the environment variable because it is a sensitive information. I cannot give it. But for you, replace the password with your proper password. Okay? So for you need to replace the password with your own password. You just need to type password equal to, then provide your password. Okay? Provide your password. Then we need to provide recipient email address. Recipient equal to, open a square bracket, then add a list of recipient. Okay? So you may add many email addresses separated by the comma. For this test case, I will use only one, but for you, you can provide many as you want. Then we need to provide the subject. Subject equal to hello Python Selenium skill. Okay, then we need to provide also the body. Body equal to welcome to my channel. So you need to provide the body of your email address. Okay, so this is our function. Then after, we need to call our function. Call the function send email. Okay, then provide SMTP server. Okay, the port number. Okay, email. Okay, the password. Okay, the recipient. Okay, the subject. Okay, then the body. Okay, so we need to call our function, then provide the input for that function. Okay, so now we need to run our code to see how it works. Click on the main menu, click on File, click on Save All. Then right click on your Python file, then click on Run. Okay, please note that the first time you run your script, you may get the following error message. Okay, application specific password required. Okay, this error typically arises when you try to use Google SMTP server with a Gmail account that has two-step verification enabled. This error typically arises when you try to use Google SMTP server with a Gmail account that has two-step verification enabled. When two-step verification is on your account, Google blocks less secure app from using your account. So what you need to do, you need to generate an app password. Okay, an app password, it is a 16-digit password that gives less secure app or device permission to access your Google account. Okay, then how to do that? Okay, let us open Google Chrome. Okay, go to the official website security.google.com/setting/security/app-password. Okay, go to this website, then press enter. Now you may be asked to sign in into your Google account. Let me sign in. Okay, when you sign in your Google account, you will see this app password. Okay, so we need to add an app password. Click on select app, then choose mail. Okay, then select the device. Click on Windows Computer. Okay, then click on Generate. Okay. You will see this 16-digit password. Okay. Use this password in your Python script where you currently have your actual password. Okay. So I will copy this. Copy. Then go back to Python. Then here I will replace with that password. Paste it here. Okay. Now, let us run our script and see how it works. Go to the main menu, go to File, click on Save All. Then, I will send my email to this user. Okay, my user is Brella.A. Okay, so let us run our code. Right click on your Python file, then click on Run. Okay. Yes. As you can see, the code was executed successfully. Okay. My user successfully received my email. Okay. Welcome to my channel. Okay. Nice. In the next video, we will learn how to send an email with attachment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you enjoy this video. Thank you.